So in the first two videos about my day workshop on the 1st of June, I've been talking a little bit about are you stuck in your head and why we want to balance out in the three centers: soul and mind, heart and emotions, sex and body. In the workshop, you get to explore your three centers and how balanced they are. Often in our society, due to the conditions in our society and upbringings in the last generations, we are often very head focused and overthink a lot and live our life more through an imaginative experience rather than a felt experience. So the workshop is really designed for you to make a relationship with these centers and through beautiful exercises have the experience and start to be more balanced and feel the relaxation and the goodness and take those exercises home with you as well. So it's truly a feel-good day with a wonderful lunch, a beautiful community. Love you to check it out, tasteoflove.com.au under the events section.